Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung ating series on operations and functions. No? And in this video ay pag-uusapan natin kung paano ba mag-multiply ng function. So, from the definition, f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. So, pag nag-multiply pa tayo ng function, minimultiply lang natin yung individual functions. No? So, for example, f of x equals x minus 3 tapos g of x equals x plus 4, f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. Meaning, substitute lang natin, no? Ang f of x natin ay x minus 3, diba? Tsaka yung g of x naman natin ay x plus 4. No? Okay, so this is equal to x squared. X squared. Meron tayong minus 3x. And then plus 4x, no? And then minus 12. So this is equal to x squared plus x minus 12. Yun yung ating f times g of x. Yung ating f times g of 4 or of negative 4, we can just substitute dito, di ba? This is our f times g of x. So mag-substitute lang tayo, f times g of negative 4 is equal to negative 4 squared plus negative 4 minus 12. So this is 16 plus negative 4 minus 12. 16 plus negative 4 is 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So, ang fg of negative 4 natin ay 0. What is the domain of fg? Sabi natin sa mga previous videos, ang domain ay intersection ng domains ng dalawang functions or two or more functions na ating ina-operate. Meaning, operate means ina-add, minumultiply, divide, and sinasubtract. So, the intersection of domains, ano ba ang domain ng f natin? This is a linear function, so ang domain niya ay real numbers, no? Tapos ito, this is also another linear function, which means that the domain is the set of real numbers. Meaning, yung domain natin dito ay set of real numbers. Okay, so maiksi lang, no? Kasi madadali lang examples natin. But we will have a more complicated example in the next video. Maraming salamat. Bago ako mag-end, gusto kayong invite sa ating website, no, sipnayan.com. At ini-invite ko rin kayo mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. And of course, follow us on Facebook. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.